At xTool, product quality is our #1 priority. We exclusively select top-tier global OEM components for raw materials, ensuring every part used in our machine is 100% tested for maximum product quality. Constant vigilance is our primary focus. If risk ever exists, we will immediately eliminate them from the outset. We believe that reliability is essential for success in this field. That's why we enforce comprehensive tests, which go across 8 major categories and each encompasses 300 projects on all of our machines. The precision of structure and engineering is thoroughly evaluated on the entire product line. Software testing is another critical factor in making a difference. It covers 5 dimensions and 16 scenarios, each achieving full coverage of 100%. We push the boundaries to an absolute limit. So as a result, each xTool machine is born with incomparable excellence and quality. From this point on, each carefully packed xTool machine stands ready, signaling the beginning of an exciting journey. We are proud to have supported over 500,000 users in completing more than 80 million projects in 62 countries. Our commitment is to provide reliable products that meet the diverse needs of our customers, because we understand how important quality is to you.